Hey, welcome back to my channel, the ultimate place for you to live, look and feel your absolute best. And in today's video we will be discussing a very interesting topic, which is one of my personal favorites. It is the tip number 3, self-care, from the first video of the series. That's where it all started from. Yes, and we will be discussing how to pamper yourself to feel the best. And now I'm not talking about just shopping and spending or splurging. I'm talking about taking care of your mind, your body, and being the best possible version of yourself. Because when we are stuck in everyday life, it's very easy to toss out the self-care part out of the window and just not think about it as much as we should. And self-care is not selfish. Always remember that. And if somebody tells you the other way, you know what to tell them. Yeah, I believe that self-care helps you build a very strong relationship with yourself, and when you're in the right headspace, it can make a huge difference. So anything from getting your hair done, going to the spa, getting your nails done, it all counts as self-care, because you gotta love your body. You have to not just look good from the outside, because as we age we realize that physical traits, they can fade away. All right, it's the inner beauty that's what matters the most. So I have a set of rituals which I like to practice on a daily basis and weekly basis. And as I said, don't forget your mind, don't forget the inside of your body. That's what is most important, and then comes the outside. Yep, all the fancy stuff. So if you are interested in leveling up, please keep watching. So the first thing that I like to do is start my day with a nice skincare routine. That is what wakes my skin up and wakes my senses up. So just from cleansing and toning and moisturizing my skin, and it just flushes away all the toxins out of my skin. Oftentimes we are rushed just trying to get out of the door, and we are slapping on our products as quickly as possible, but sitting down and really getting the time to thoroughly go through each step is actually really therapeutic. And recently I started using a beauty fridge to keep my products nice and cool, like my eye mask, sheet mask, jade rollers, my eye creams, and it has really changed my skincare game. I have been a fan of putting the skin products in a fridge. Having this little cute beauty fridge can be a good addition to your closet or wherever you get ready. So there are a lot of benefits to the cold skincare, especially in the morning. It can help get rid of the puffiness, and it's good for the sensitive skin. It can take away that inflammation, reduce redness, and help your skincare perform a little better, and it preserves their shelf life as well, because some products do not do as good as the others in high temperatures. So yes, it is something you can definitely try. The second thing that I like to do is weekly routines. So like a weekly facial, a weekly steam session. That is something which helps me just take all the gunk out of my skin. It just cleanses my skin on a deeper level. I'm not a fan of going out to the beauty salons and getting treatments done. I would do it only, say, a couple of times a year, but most of the times I would be taking a good care of my skin at home, and these weekly treatments can be very effective. You can do your nails. I do my manicure pedicure at home. I do some massage sessions. I would just sit, put my feet in the foot massager, and while I'm doing my facial or I'm doing my nails, and play some good music on, light the candle, have a red wine ready, and it's just like a spa. So yes, these things can be really helpful. Number 3 is baths. I love a good bath time. Yeah, I love to just sit there, enjoy a book. I like to play music. That's like a relaxation master therapy. Enjoy a glass of wine again. Yep, you don't need a reason, you don't need an excuse to have a glass of wine, yeah, over the weekend, just having that me time and forgetting all the stress that you have in your life. It's an amazing experience, trust me. So I would also use some bath salts, anything that you want, some magnesium salts that help take the stress out of your muscles. It just releases the tension and relaxes your body. You can use those, especially after workouts, and help recover from the work that you have done in the gym. Number 4 is reading. So reading is like an escape for me from the world, going into my own zone. And I love reading a lot of motivational books, self-help books, and that can be another good habit to practice, because your brain needs exercise too, right? Don't forget the inside. Last one would be meditation. I feel that meditation is something that you can start no matter what stage you are in your life. You can start with 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and slowly build your way up. And even if your mind wanders, you can just try and focus little by little. So try yourself and see what works for you. There are a lot of apps that can help you. There's information out there. It helps you to control your emotions better, helps you take better decisions, and be in more control of yourself. So these are the top 5 things that I like to include in my self-care routine. Hope these help you make a routine or add to your existing routine. And please do comment and let me know what are your tips and tricks, and what is your self-care routine, or the things that you like to do. And don't forget to like and subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, and yes, self-care is not selfish.